Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Williams. Gerald, what do you want to do today?
I want
Yes?
a
what? A ball? A swing? A hat?
Achoo!
Sniff? Are you okay?
I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Ugh.
What if you try to sneeze more softly?
Sorry, but if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald,
No, do not speak. It is too late. I Chew. Goodbye.
Gerald! Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Oh, great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you.